I'm not sure what decade this building's themed to be, but this is at the Pop Century Resort.
This is building 7.
Yeah, this is building 7, but I'm not sure what the decade theming is.
This is the 80s, I think.
Yeah, I think this is 80s. No call recognition. The other one does, though. I can hear it.
No, he's not coming.
Oh yeah, he's not. To look out. Here's your ADA phone. It's definitely really rare to see non-Otis elevators on Disney property.
I know.
Even though you can tell Otis did get their paws on them a little bit.
But the Coca-Cola means, or whatever.
You going down?
You can go first. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
But there's the Coca-Cola within Durham Earls. One of them was out of service when I went there yesterday.
Yeah. Those things are awful. They overheat and break all the time.
I know.
But that's what you get with a hydraulic MRL. Those things are a fire hazard.
I know.
Not only that, but a tech in the Midwest actually got killed installing one of those.
Oh, yeah,
According to Andrew, yeah.
I saw your subscription or description of the McDonald's update.
And there it goes, and I think this is building, this is 80s building A.
7.
Building 7, and anyways, there it goes, and that's it.